Hi everyone, welcome to Module 11. In this module, you'll be asked to discuss sample professional letters and to note strengths and weaknesses that you see in these letters. You should revise one of the sample letters in the discussion. You should also find 2 job or scholarship postings that you could use for your own professional letter. And then you'll be asked to complete an assignment that helps you plan your letter assignment. So we're discussing professional letters this week, and ultimately you'll be asked to choose one of the 2 choices. So you'll be asked to write a letter for a job posting or a letter for a scholarship posting. And this week we'll be looking at examples and planning out our letter assignment. There are specific instructions in the module to help you understand what a professional letter should include. And in the Module 11 discussion, you'll see that there are 4 example letters. And so in this discussion, you're asked to choose one of these 4 examples. And then with the example you select, please let your classmates know which choice you're choosing, what you notice are strengths of this letter, be specific, and explain what you think the author is doing that is good. And then note some weaknesses in the letter. So be specific, what could the author add, remove, or change to improve the letter? And then you should use the letter and actually revise it. So you'll have it open in Word. You can type on the letter. You could organize the letter differently. You could correct areas that you think need corrections, or you could add some suggestions of what the author could explain. Make sure to save this example that you've revised. And then you're going to add the example in the discussion area. So add it as an attachment along with your answers to questions 1 through 3. So your first post is due on Thursday. So you should have your answers to the discussion questions and your revised sample letter. And then by Sunday, you should comment on at least 2 classmates' posts. And so in your comments, you could note specific ideas that you agree with, or politely note anything you disagree with. You could explain how you made similar changes to the letter that you selected, or you could compliment your classmates on changes that they made to their letters or add suggestions. Make sure to be specific. And so the purpose of this discussion is to help us really think about professional letter writing and what we might do to create strong professional application or scholarship letters. After the discussion, you'll see that you're asked to select 2 job or scholarship postings. And so if you've decided to write an application letter for a job, you should find 2 job opening advertisements. There are some links to common places to find job posts. So if you just select the title of these links, like the Albert Greene Journal or LinkedIn, you can search for specific areas that you're interested in, specific types of jobs. Then you should copy and paste all of the words that are included for the job postings. This is because if we just turn in web links, often those web links don't work anymore. They tend to kind of expire or change. So we want to get all of the ideas into a Word document so that you'll be able to use that information to write your own application letter. If you've decided to select option 2, which is a scholarship letter, you should find 2 scholarship postings from the C&M website. And so look through the C&M Foundation website or the C&M External Scholarships, select 2 scholarships that may apply to you, copy and paste the information into a Word document, and submit the document in the course. And so we're gathering information about job or scholarship postings so that we can write our own professional letter. After this, you'll learn more about letter writing. You'll see that there is a video for application letters, and there is a text resource for scholarship letters. So you should review the appropriate choice, for the application or scholarship letter based on what you're choosing to write. And then there is a planning assignment. And so if you're planning an application letter, you'll see a Word document to help you. Or if you'll be planning a scholarship letter, you'll see a separate Word document to help you. You should open this Word document and answer the questions, add ideas about your experiences. So if you choose the application letter, you'll want to go back to the job posting and see what is the company or organization asking for applicants to have, do they want applicants to be able to do specific things? Like, do they want a specific number of years of experience? Do they want specific qualifications? You'll be asked to list those ideas in the planning assignment. And then you'll also be asked to explain how you have experiences that connect to what the employer is seeking. With the scholarship letter, there are several questions in this Word document to help you develop ideas to think about your goals for your academic program, what you plan to do in the future, maybe how you plan to give back to the community. And so both of these options have lots of questions to help you consider the ideas you might add to your letter as you develop it. So this week, we're just planning out our letter. You're not expected to have a full draft yet. We'll have a full draft next week. So you'll see that there's a module checklist like always. And if you'd like my help, feel free to contact me. We could meet by phone or through Zoom video if you'd like to go over any part of the module this week. I hope you have a nice week. Look forward to reading your assignments. Take care. Bye-bye.